पूजावती री सावन पहली तीज अरे डरी भी मरे धन मार तो देख के
Ramgarh Shekhawati, a spectacularly beautiful town of wall frescoes, often known as the open-air art gallery of Rajasthan, has gifted the world with a heritage that is the epitome of the creative Indian spirit, set amidst a rugged yet inviting landscape. It recalls to us the eternal Indian quest for infinite innovation, its culturescape of massive diversity, of stunning profusion of forms in its stunning Havelis, its stepwells and johars, and above all, its passionate, candid, and uninhibited dynamism in the warm expressions of its people, the beautiful and creative ways of dressing and adornment, the diverse array of delectable cuisine, their passionate word and song, their scintillating dances.
हमारे बीरों को रचो है ब्याह मैं तो नाचूंगी जी नाचूंगी हमारे बीरों को रचो है ब्याह मैं तो नाचूंगी जी नाचूंगी गाजे बाजे के साथ घूमर घालूंगी जी घालूंगी गाजे बाजे के साथ घूमर घालूंगी जी घालूंगी.
And how they depicted their deities, their fashions, the changing times, and their desires and fantasies with ever-evolving expressions profusely showcased on the doors, walls, ceilings, pillars, and domes. Very sadly, however, many beautiful heritage homes and monuments have been neglected for more than a century, and the skills, their culture, and creative spirit just allowed to fade away in the sands of time. The once dynamically creative and pioneering Ramgarh Shekhawati, which celebrated its socio-cultural forms, creative genius, and infinite beauty, is now a victim of the lost ethos of its holistic beauty and well-being. Ramgarh Shekhawati, created in the 18th century as the most beautiful town of Rajasthan by the rich Podar merchants on the desire of a queen, could once again become the most coveted heritage tourism destination for the world. The Vedaranya project of the Ramgarh Village Revival Initiative is working for this creative and economic resurgence of this great habitat with compassionate social and capitalist action through 4 pillars of well-being. Swasthya, or the health and well-being of body, mind and spirit. Swachhata, or purity, sanitation and cleanliness of self and spaces. Suraksha, or safety for all, protection and equal opportunity. And Saundarya, the beauty of surroundings, holistic environments, and the great resurgence of the creative spirit. We are working with the locals and have brought back the traditional knowledge skills of building with lime and brick without the use of modern building methods, of textile design, of fresco painting, and are gearing up with 14 verticals in collaboration with the government of Rajasthan to make Ramgarh Shekhawati an STZ, or a special tourist zone, which will give employment to 5,000 people directly and about 40,000 people indirectly, and will become a global hub for every seeker of delight, of spirituality, of entertainment, and of creative endeavor and learning. Come, join us in the resurgence of this great creative spirit at Ramgarh Shekhawati, Rajasthan.
बिम्बाधरं पृथुलमौक्तिकशोभिनासम् आकर्णदीर्घनयनं मणिकुण्डलाढ्यम् मन्दस्मितं मृगमदोज्ज्वलभाति